From an 18-karat gold luxurious gadget from Apple to a pocket-friendly tool that can help you defend any life-threatening situations. We're diving headfirst into the realm of innovation as we showcase 10 mind-blowing, futuristic, and cutting-edge gadgets. Say goodbye to not being able to record your experiences when you have the Insta360 X3 camera and the invisible dive kit. You see, it captures 5.7K 360 videos up to 164 feet away, along with excellent features. Giving you incredible third-person perspectives underwater, this combination of gadgets does not block the shot like other camera cases. This one disappears completely. Coming in a complete pack of the floating hand grip, lens cap, and invisible dive case, you can relive your underwater moments. Being a limited and luxurious version of the ordinary Apple Vision Pro, its Caviar edition is a designer art headset that takes technology and fashion to new heights. Inspired by iconic brands like Tom Ford and Gucci, this piece is what we call luxury fashion. The casing and the protective mask part of the headset is crafted from 18-karat gold, while the headband uses Connolly leather, which is a material favored by the British Royal Court and Rolls-Royce. Overall, the Caviar Apple Vision Pro Caviar Edition Luxury XR headset is a true masterpiece. Whether you're out in the woods for your evening walk or you're camping with your family, it's important to keep yourself and others away from frustrating, painful, and annoying bug bites. The VIBIS Bite Healer uses blue light phototherapy to ease inflammation and expedites speedy skin recovery. Its pulse heating mechanism operates completely free of chemicals and provides 10-second instant relief. Featuring a sleek design with a modern style, the folding Karambit multi-use knife not only looks great but also functions supremely well. Using an Emerson wave deployment, this effective and efficient option lets you fully deploy the knife with one-handed ease. Whether you carry yours for everyday needs or for self-defense, this blade offers versatility, safety, and precision. The safety ring ensures you have a secure grip no matter the environment, letting you keep the closed knife in your hand in preparation for any situation. Add some futuristic accessories to your car like the Wolfbox G900 touchscreen dashcam. Offering a 2.5K high-quality rear-view mirror camera in addition to a front camera with film-level 4K quality, it also features excellent audio quality, a built-in microphone, and noise-canceling speakers. The 12-inch 1920 by 480p IPS smart touchscreen display also has a 2.5D curved glass screen that transmits light, as well as an anti-glare processing. Additionally, compared to a 10-inch or 11-inch screen, its shape gives you a larger horizontal field of view. If you are a Transformers fan, then this next product will definitely pique your interest. The Robosen Grimlock Auto-Converting Robot Collector's Edition will relieve your favorite Transformer moments. Boasting incredibly smooth and stable movements, each piece has 85 microchips and 34 high-precision intelligent servo motors which activate seamless conversion. You can even interact with this Transformer robot using your voice and voice programming, plus the 150 built-in Transformers audio lines by Greg Berger add even more authenticity. With the app, you can control both dyno and robot mode and get quick responses, movements, and actions from any mobile device. Eye fatigue and eye strain can be a thing of the past with True-Rel. Using a variety of massage techniques, this gadget alleviates such conditions as well as others that are connected. Giving out air pressure, heat, and vibration, True-Rel simulates the effects of a massage. Additionally, it has Bluetooth connectivity so you may get a massage for your eyes while listening to your favorite meditation playlist, relaxing music, or favorite songs. Maintaining your aquarium will never be easier than this. Letting go of manual maintenance, the StayrAl makes your aquarium smarter. Its AI tools tailors dosing programs and water change schedules, minimizing waste of energy and water. Along with the AI tools, it also has digital sensors to monitor the tank and reservoir temperatures. It controls heaters and coolers, activating them only when necessary. Overall, connecting StayrAl to your water faucet will automatically fill your reservoir, Dechlorinate, heat to the desired temperature and change water according to your schedule. Utilize the Breathing's Bulo breathing training assistant to monitor your lung health. This portable health tool was created to assist you in continuously measuring and monitoring the condition of your lungs. After analyzing the measured data of your lungs, it uses Bulo AI to prescribe you specific breathing exercises by changing speed and intensity. It is simple to use and ideal for respiratory patients with lung disorders. To accurately share an inhale and exhalation measurement, just breathe normally into Bulo. Lastly, the Matrix 3-in-1 magnetic charging dock lets you charge your mobile devices both at home and while you're out and about. Whether you utilize the attachments together or separately, this modular system works both at your desk and while you're on the go. The wireless power bank, wireless car charger, 3-in-1 charging dock and Apple Watch charger are all included in the set. With quick charging capabilities of up to 15 watts, the devices can always keep your usual electronics charged. This set of chargers meets all of your contemporary requirements and enables quick wireless charging by allowing you to easily connect various ones. That's going to be it for the video. If you found any of these interesting, drop a like and do subscribe for more similar content.